Hey folks, welcome to the Clear Creek Cabin. So today we're digging a trench to put a water line in. And one of the things I wanted to share you, a little trick that I learned was PP blast your bucket. What happens is if you get into really, really hard, wet clay, it sticks inside the bucket and it won't shake out. You can shake that bucket back and forth as much as you want to and the clay will just stick in there. What I found works real well is PB Blaster. You just coat the inside of the bucket, so that way when you're digging in really damp clay and you go to shake it out, it shakes out perfectly for you. I'll show you what it does. And again, just a little tip from us here at the Clear Creek Cabin Mini Farm. So hope you like it. Stop back in and see us. Subscribe to the channel if you get a chance, and take care of yourself. God bless you till the next time we see you. Come back and see us. Love to meet you again.